students. Are you planning to do MBA or PGDM after your undergraduate course? Then this video will help you to understand the difference between MBA and PGDM program on the basis of these features. Firstly, the eligibility criteria. For pursuing MBA or PGDM program, you should be a graduate with 50% of marks in final term. Secondly, MBA is a degree program, whereas PGDM is a diploma program. Both the programs have a time duration of 2 years. Thirdly, MBA program places more emphasis on the theoretical and practical training, whereas PGDM emphasizes on the practical learning. Hence, MBA and PGDM programs are often considered one of the best educational paths for career and personal development. The benefits of pursuing the program are career advancement, leadership roles. MBA graduates are frequently sought after for managerial and leadership positions due to their comprehensive understanding of business practices. Career transition. An MBA allows professionals to switch industries or roles, opening up new opportunities in fields like finance, consulting, or entrepreneurship. Global opportunities. MBA and PGDM graduates can have international exposure, preparing graduates for global markets. Networking opportunities. Professional network. MBA students gain access to an extensive network of peers, alumni, and industry professionals. Corporate connections. Many programs partner with leading companies, facilitating internship, job placements, and mentorship. Skill development. Core competencies are increased in areas like leadership, strategic thinking, problem solving, and effective communication. Specialized knowledge. Through electives and concentrations, students can specialize in fields like finance, marketing, technology, or healthcare. Increased earning potential. Higher salaries. MBA and PGDM graduates typically earn significantly more than their peers with only undergraduate degree. Long-term growth. The credentials often leads to sustained career progression and salary increases over time. Entrepreneurship support. Business insight. For aspiring entrepreneurs, MBA programs offer the knowledge needed to start a scale business. Resources. Access to incubators, funding opportunities, and mentorship from experienced professionals are of great help for these kinds of entrepreneurial ventures. Global perspective. Diverse cohorts. Many MBA programs bring together students from diverse cultural and professional backgrounds, enriching the learning experiences. Versatility. Applicable across industries. The skills learned in an MBA program are valuable in almost every industry, from technology to healthcare to government. Adaptability. These graduates are equipped to handle challenges in dynamic and uncertain environments. Personal growth. It boosts their confidence, and MBA program leads to holistic development. Hope this video has served the insight why an MBA or PGDM program can be pursued. Thank you.